Far north lie 18 small islands called the Faroe Islands, isolated by the North Atlantic Ocean. Green mountains and plunging waterfalls, unspoiled and unexplored. But in a world where more and more tourists search for novelties, how can the islands remain unspoiled by tourism? The islanders have found a solution.
On behalf of the Faroese government, I hereby declare the Faroe Islands closed for maintenance and open for voluntourism during the last weekend of April. During the weekend, all sites and attractions will be closed for regular tourists. However, we invite volunteers from abroad to lend us a helping hand by working side by side with locals, maintaining walking trails, fences and viewpoints to preserve our beautiful nature. In return, the Faroe Islands will provide free food and stay for everyone who helps out. I hope to see as many as possible on the last weekend of April. Thank you.
Sign up at preservefaroeislands.com.